She stood frozen in aisle 3, one hand on a can of soup, the other wiping away a tear she didn't see coming. The fluorescent lights overhead hummed like a slow, mocking reminder. The scanner had just declined her card, again. Behind her, a line of strangers shuffled impatiently. But in her mind, it wasn't just about the soup. It was about every decision, every sacrifice, every dream that felt like it slipped through her fingers, one overdraft fee at a time. Her name is Lisa. She's 43. She works full-time. She's smart. She's capable. And she is completely, utterly broke. This isn't just Lisa's story. This is our story. Chapter 2. The Hidden Shame of the Paycheck to Paycheck. Life. Lisa didn't always live like this. There was a time, not long ago, when she believed her 40s would feel different. A stable income, a cozy emergency fund, maybe even a small vacation once a year, just to remind herself that life was about more than bills and survival. But reality? Reality is waking up every morning doing math in the shower. It's wondering if the gas in her car will last until payday. It's that quiet panic when a coworker asks, "Want to grab lunch?" And you're too embarrassed to say, "I literally can't afford to spend $9 right now." But here's the truth no one talks about. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't just a financial problem. It's a deeply emotional and psychological one. It comes with guilt, because you should be further by now. It comes with shame, because you think you're the only one. It comes with exhaustion, because you're running a race with no finish line in sight. But if you're in your 40s and still living paycheck to paycheck, it doesn't mean you failed. It means it's time to pivot. Mindset shift number 1. Your past financial decisions may not be your fault, but your future is your responsibility. Chapter 3. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about permission. Lisa used to hear the word budget and immediately feel suffocated. To her, budgeting meant saying no to coffee, feeling guilty for ordering takeout, watching life happen to everyone else while she counted coins in the parking lot. Sound familiar? But here's the truth. Budgeting is not about restriction. It's about permission. Budgeting isn't punishment. It's clarity. It's dignity. It's telling your money where to go, so it stops disappearing behind your back. Lisa sat down one day, rain falling outside, tears still crusted under her eyes, and wrote out her budget. For the first time in decades, she wasn't just surviving her paycheck. She was directing it. $25 for fun money, $10 to savings, $80 toward groceries, $35 to debt. It wasn't perfect, but it was on purpose. And that was everything. You don't need more money first. You need more clarity. Start with a zero-based budget. Give every dollar a job. And watch how quickly your confidence returns. Chapter 4, Debt isn't a character flaw. It's a symptom of a system. Lisa used to hide her mail, bills, collections, urgent notices. Each envelope whispered the same lie. You're a failure. But here's what no one tells you. Debt is not a moral failing. It's a coping mechanism. You weren't taught to build wealth. You were taught to survive. At 18, they gave you a credit card but no class on interest rates. You got sold a dream with a loan attached to it. You weren't taught strategy. You were taught shame. But Lisa did something powerful. She made a list of every single debt. Not to shame herself, but to face it. She used the debt snowball method. Paid off the smallest debt first. Rolled that payment into the next, watched momentum build. Each win, tiny, but powerful. Because with every paid-off bill, Lisa was rewriting her identity. Mindset shift number 2, debt isn't permanent. It's a puzzle, and puzzles can be solved one piece at a time. Chapter 5. The emotional toll of financial strain on relationships. Lisa remembers the night the fight started over toothpaste. It wasn't about toothpaste. It never is. Money stress poisons connection. It turns conversations into accusations, turns partners into opponents, makes love feel like a liability. She and her husband weren't fighting each other. They were fighting the fear behind the bills. So they made a new rule. We attack the problem, not each other. Every Sunday, 20 minutes. 1 notebook. 2 cups of tea. 0 blame. They became a team again. Money doesn't just damage relationships, it can also heal them. When you face it together, you stop living in fear and start building in faith. Chapter 6. Rewriting your financial identity at 40 plus. Lisa used to whisper, It's too late for me. But now she knows better, because she's not starting from scratch. She's starting from experience. She doesn't envy 25-year-olds with perfect portfolios. She honors her 43-year-old self for showing up with courage. Mindset shift number 3. You are not behind, you are just now awake. You've survived things most people couldn't imagine. Now you're ready, not for perfection, for progress. Lisa started calling herself something new, a builder. You should too. Chapter 7. The Turning Point. From Scarcity to Strategy. There comes a moment when you stop running and start rebuilding. Here's how Lisa turned the page and how you can too. Step 1. Weekly money meetings every Sunday. 20 minutes. Just you and your budget. Step 2. Track every dollar for 30 days. Awareness brings control. Write everything down. Step 3. Master one strategy. Pick just one. Zero-based budget, debt snowball, cash envelopes. Stick to it. Step 4. Automate one win, even $10 week into savings rewires your brain. Step 5. Rewrite your identity, say it daily. I'm not bad with money. I'm becoming brilliant with it. Lisa isn't special. She's not lucky. She's not superhuman. She just started. You can too. Because broke is a condition. But staying broke? That's a decision. Drop a comment. This is my pivot point. Subscribe for real financial freedom, not shame. Hit the bell because your second half can be your best half. You still have time. Let's build the life your future self will thank you for.